right, I think it's recording. Okay. This is my video for Enhancement 6 for Week 8 of CIT 336, Web Backend Development, etc., etc., etc. I've decided that I'm going to do this portion of the Enhancement assignment live. I have pre-prepared everything else so that it will be able to do that. So let's get into it. I'm going to click on my account, and we are delivered to this wonderful login. We are going to register the new client. His first name is going to be admin user admin at CIT net password. I'm just going to copy and paste that. I ain't got time for this. And we're going to sign up. Thank you for registering, admin. Please use your email and password to log in. Excellent. And so we're going to pull up phpMyAdmin. Go to databases. I'm going to go to Acme. Clients. You can see I have registered many a client in the pursuit of this enhancement, testing and whatnot. So we're going to edit this guy, give him a client level of 3, hit go. Lo and behold, he's got a client level of 3. Let's go back to the website. And let's sign in with this guy, admin at CT336.net, and with the password that we signed up with. Now we're going to sign in. Now, this is an interesting little conundrum. Would you like Firefox to save this login for HTTP localhost using this admin and password? So, on a public computer, this is a horrible idea. Horrible, horrible, horrible idea. This basically is asking if you want Firefox to save the cookie that has your full login information on it. Now, if you are like most people, this is probably the same email and password that you use for many other applications, such as banking, or your Facebook account, or logging into computers on your network, iTunes, that sort of thing. So there are a litany of things that reasons to not do this on a computer, on a network, on a computer that you do not trust, on a network that you do not trust. Now, that being said, on a home network, it's more convenient. It's still not a great idea, because what if your network is compromised by some means, by some malware, for instance? So I'm going to go ahead and hit don't save. Welcome, admin user. We see the full name here. And we see that the logout link has been replaced, has replaced the my account link. And we are here on this page with the proper session data displayed. Let's go back to the home page. And we see a message, welcome admin, and the logout link is also here. So let's go ahead and log out. The message disappears. And let's see. Show this functionality in multiple views. Logging in as level 1 user into displaying client data in the okay. So let's log in as Test Boy. This guy. Oh no, not Test Boy. Test Boy has level 3 privileges. Let's do first name, last name. We're going to sign in as first name, last name. You can see he's got a privilege level 1, and there is no product link here. Log out. Test boy has level 3 privileges. You can see the products page. Same as it was before. Let's go to test boy, sign in, open developer. I really need to get this like actually working. Get more tools. All right, 0 errors, 0 warnings. Did I actually do an HTML page correctly? Perish the thought. What? I'm almost disappointed. Okay. I don't know what to say. Yeah, I guess I'll show you the extra credit thing I did. Yeah, let's try and go to we've logged out. Localhost Acme, and we're gonna try and go to products. And for some reason, this is a bug that I've been experiencing. It holds on to the cookie and spits it back out for some reason, but the redirect does function as it is supposed to. And taking a look at the code itself, you can see here on the admin page, I have a rather strongly worded message about trying to access the admin page without logging in. Let's try and experience that now. It doesn't apparently work. That's unfortunate. Anyway, the redirect works, and that's what's important. This is immaterial, I feel. Funny, but immaterial. Here in Ag Category, we have the session start, and if the session data, etc., if the client level is less than 2, we redirect. And same with add product and product management. I'm using the exact same code in all 3 because there's no reason to not do that. Here's my login user. This is a bunch of testing stuff. Everything works so far as I understand, except for the interesting persistent message. Oh, I need to give. I suppose that I should probably give these href links of value. Live debugging, exactly what you wanted to see from this video. Okay. Let's reload the page. And we're valid. Woo! And this page is valid. Let's sign in with test boy. Go to the products page. Again, valid. Add category, valid. Add product, also valid. So I've essentially somehow managed to validate all of my pages recently. So I guess, I don't know, the magic was within me all along. I don't know what the moral of the story here is. I guess it just kind of became fixed as a course of, like, by means of just, like, working on the code consistently. I don't know. Anyway, I will be zipping... oh man, I really need to figure out that bug. I will be zipping the... you know what it probably is it's probably not having session recognition or management in my homepage. That's probably what it is. So I'm going to go through and add session recognition to all of my views, all the remaining ones at least that don't have it, such as 500, I guess. And yeah, it disappears when I log out. So honestly, I think it's just a weird bug. I'll figure it out. I will figure it out, is what I mean to say. I hope you're having a great week. Yeah.